So good day guys, in this lesson let's talk about evaluating limits, evaluation of limits. So okay, now let me say is evaluation of limits. Like I told you, unless you're getting into mathematics deeply, for basic mathematics, just so that limits, you have to deal with two things actually, proving limits and evaluating limits. And this is the evaluation of limits. So now let's see this question for instance. What if we are asked to now remember proving limits has a formula for proving limits, yes, and also the steps will be a bit different from this. So watch out for that. Let's look at this. Number one. Okay. Evaluate this limits of let me see 2x plus 5 okay minus 3 okay. Let me use this as x tends to 2. And if you observe, why proving limits you have equal to you have the limit here actually. But here in evaluating limits, you don't have you don't have the limit. You're trying to find the limit actually in this case. Now, and evaluating limit just simply means what is the continuity? 2. Anywhere you see s sub 2. That's basically what it means, basically. So if you say so, and evaluating limits actually we have the limits or we have the continuity actually, and we also have a place part whereby the infinity part of it actually. You have the infinity part of this limit. But this is the basic one actually, basic thing that is cover limits. Maybe in the next class we'll look into that part of it. Do you understand? But basically just want you to cover limits. So let's say just substitute inside this now. Now I have something like limits. Okay. You substitute inside this. Now have it to be equal to 2 times 2 plus 5 minus 3. Right? Equals to 4 plus 5 minus 3. Equal to 9 minus 3. Equal to what? 6. And this is the limits. Is equal to what? 6. So this is what this actually entails. It actually entails. Do you understand now? So this is it for this. Now you will see more examples of it actually. There's more examples of it. Let me try this one example. Now you may see something like this. Evaluate the limits. Let's say x squared plus 7 divided by what? X as s tends to what? 0. And I bet you, if you substitute 0 inside that place, you feel it. Definitely you feel it. Do you understand? If you substitute 0 in that place, you actually feel it. And maybe in the next class, we'll do the infinity part of this. Yeah. Where x will always be tending to infinity. Do you understand? Okay. But it's still 0, right? But this is basically talking about x tends to 0. And if you punch 0 inside this x, you feel it. You have yes, will be equal to what? 0. And that's not what it's meant to look like. Now, when you have something like this, bring this out, x squared plus 7 over x. We have x squared, right? You can just factor s out. Let's factor s out here. If you factor it out, we're going to have this s. If s goes here, then s will have just x, right? Plus we don't have this 7 to be here. Right? And it's all divided by what? X. Remember, this and this is just the same thing. So this s will cancel this x. And basically we don't have this to be like this x plus 7. Now when you substitute 0 inside this x, we don't have it. 0 plus 7 that is equals to what? 7. And that's how to get this. you've learned something new and interesting. See you in my next video and bye for now.